Hey, Tim Castleman here, and today I want to give you an insider look at this piece of software that I just picked up called the Book Review Targeter, and it's made by our good friend Debbie Drum. What it is it's something that you can go in, enter your keywords here, and it will start pulling up books and go into each of the books that you personally select and find reviewers that have either left a website or an email address. But it does something really powerful that I want to share with you and show you in real time in just a second. But before I do that, let me show you how this works, okay? You guys know that I write nonfiction books, so I'm going to write nonfiction books here, and we're going to see, actually I'm going to say nonfiction writing. How about that? Writing. And we're going to see what comes up. And you'll see all these books will slowly start to appear. Again, this data, because it's web-based, which means it's going to work on Amazon, it's going to work on Mac, it's going to work on Chromebooks, or anything practically that connects to the internet. It does take a second to go out and get that information because it pulls it directly from Amazon and puts it in this nice, easy to use, simple to understand dashboard in front of your very eyes. And again, you don't have to download any software. This is 100% web-based, so it works for you, it works for your outsourcers or anyone that you want to. And here's how simple it is. You simply go down, you go and select some books that you want to get reviews from, and it begins sifting through. So right now in the background, it's going to sift through the reviews for that book. You can also pick this book, you can pick that book, you can pick this one, and you can pick as many or as few as you want. I try to find the books that are going to have the biggest impact and the books that are probably going to be best to my target market. So things like this book right here would be a good book, or looking for really well-known books like maybe this book that's got a bunch of reviews, and even this book right here that's got over 378. And what happens is, again, it goes and it searches the pages to find your emails, to find your websites. I typically like to start with emails, and then if I don't get the number of reviewers that I thought I needed or want originally, then I expand it to both email and website. So because this pulls this information from Amazon, it does take a second to grab that information. What I highly recommend you do is go ahead and let the software run, and then go work on something else. Work on your description, do some keyword research, do some editing, whatever it is that you need to do the next step in your business, and then come back to it when it's done running. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'll see you in just a second. Okay, and just like that, it's done. And from the books that we selected, we've got 9 reviewers that just had email. Again, if you want to broaden that selection, you can go to email and also websites. And what I like to do is I'm going to select all of them, and then I'm just going to export them to the CSV. And I personally like to reach out to them via my author Gmail account. However, if you don't want to do that, the great thing is that they have a built-in email sender for you. And the cool thing is it does all the hard work for you. You put your book author, you put the name, you put the URL, and it basically takes all of their information and sends it to them one by one. So you can do all of this once you get it all set up inside of this amazing piece of software. This is something that you can do yourself. This is something that you can teach an outsourcer to do. I mean, it's really, plug and play simple. And the best thing is it's something that's going to help you get real reviews for your books that are verified reviews that will give you more credibility, more clout, and hopefully lead to more sales and even more reviews by happy customers who have read and purchased your book. So I highly recommend that you pick up the Review Targeter. I know that over time this thing's only going to get better and better and faster and faster, and when it does, you'll be happy that you grabbed it for the price it is now instead of the price that you're going to have to pay later. So with that in mind, there should be a link below this video. Go ahead, click it, go over, grab your copy of the Book Review Targeter, and I'll see you on the other side.